Hi guys, I have decided to study botany. And my dad's given me some books on it. Because he used to be a gardener in his day. Going back a few years, he used to have his own gardening business and that. And he is indeed a very clever man. He knows a lot of things. But yeah, it's just amazing. Just our Earth is just such an amazing place. It really is. You see, because it's actually amazing how much plants are actually like people. Now, observe. Everything from the reproductive systems, how they reproduce originally, is exactly like us. Say, for example, where are we? Then came the gymnosperms, woody plants bearing culms with naked seeds, i.e. naked seeds because they wasn't enclosed in an ovary. And in this group, pollen grains from the male cones, are carried by the wind directly onto the ovules or unfertilized seeds. Produced on the scales of the female cones to the most recent group to arise are the angiosperms of flowering plants, which have the ovules enclosed in a protective structure, the ovary. This is usually extended upwards to form the style of a stigma. Pollen grains landing on the stigma can only reach the ovules by forming a tube, which grows down through the style and into the ovary. That is very clever, that is. That is pretty amazing, that. And that was just the start. It's amazing. But apparently the first plants were actually non-vascular. I just think it's amazing. I really do. Yeah, because it says, it is agreed by most botanists that the parts of the flower, e.g. stamens and carpels, etc., and modified leaves adapted to achieve the process of sexual reproductive organs. How clever is that, though? I just think that's amazing. Wow. I just think that's so clever. Don't forget, plant life was here before us. Wow, amazing. And something that I never knew, coral is actually an animal. Coral in the sea is actually an animal. Belongs to the same species or family as like jellyfish. And wow, that is amazing. But it's got a name, see, I've forgotten it already. I have trouble with my memory, sometimes. I have to keep reading things over and over again. But there's a name for it. Because it's attached to something. I'm going to say it. Yeah, it's the term sessile, spelt S-E-S-S-I-L-E, which means it's an immobile animal. Like coral, because it's attached to a surface. Like, and can't move freely itself. That's just incredible. Wow. Isn't the planet just amazing? It's just unbelievable.